Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Snowman Season Stamp Set, as well as the Let It Snow Embellishment Kit. The embellishment kit and the stamp set actually, you'll find on page 19 of the holiday catalog. Here I am using Whisper White Thick as my card base. I'm inking up the sentiment with Pretty Peacock ink, and I'm stamping about a third of the way down from the top in the middle of it's pretty much a one layer card. Aside from the little embellishments that I'm going to put on the card. You know what looks really simple right now, but this embellishment kit totally makes it. The sentiment says, hoping this season builds heartwarming memories. And when you think of winter, sometimes you may think of the mittens and the scarves and the toques. So you also get a whole bunch of other things that are in the embellishment kit, and you can stay tuned for Wednesday's video if you would like to see me use more of the embellishment kit. But I'm just using my Tombow multi-purpose glue here, and I've glued up the toque and I have put it all over the word season and just pressed down and held it, and eventually it did hold fast. And I know that y'all are probably going to give me a little bit of grief calling the woolen hat a toque. I am Canadian. There are some words that are very native to my country, and that is one of them. And that's exactly what that is. It's a toque. You can say it too. You can be, honorary Canadians, and as long as you just say that a woolen hat is a toque. All right. Anyway, so I'm gluing down the mittens. And then in the embellishment kit, there's these snowballs. Super cute. And this does bring back heartwarming memories of when I was a child and it's winter outside. And, we did get a lot of snow when I was a child. And I always made snow forts and had snowball fights with my friends. And I remember my dad joining me in for, a couple snowball fights. So this is pretty much the very simple card for today, although I think it is quite brilliant, if I do say so myself. Using this embellishment kit, I could easily make a whole bunch of these. That could be my Christmas card. And it might be. I have to make up a ton of Christmas cards. But anyway, that is my simple card for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.